Sele kancane sizophumelela.
I meet you here, my friend.
Oh, Samalam.
Oh, I'm
I meet you here.
I'm with you.
I'm with you. I'm not singing.
Ayifaka bula mthuthu lento.
Uqedile la mthuthu.
Hayi.
Uqedile la mthuthu.
Master Chef akusizi.
Ngithi uyikhuluma uqedile.
Dimana rona bola mthuthu kenze wabona akayifaka bola mthuthu le.
Ayifaka bula mthuthu lento.
So meaning I'm the only mthuthu la.
Ula mthuthu. Ufevi galant. Ufevi galant. Oh.
Maroon.
Oh.
Uqedile. Uqedile.
La uyadwa.
Okay.
Oh, Samalam le.
Drip 1 point. 100.
Drip which team? Oh.
Ubona both teams.
Yeah,
Kaizer
both teams.
Chiefs ijiwe lisasuka ka drip. Isoqala ligame. Uyibona drip ya Kaizer Chiefs? Ngiyayibona uLkof nekudlala team.
Why copying abashayela amatiki?
Team. Ngathi bebasha amateka afanayo bona.
Bala matiki ukapa amnyama.
Bebasha yini?
Oh,
ukapa
ubani ngibona ngathi bekagcokile Adidas.
Nami ngicakile ngibona amahopa amanye ebhasini bashayela yabona lamayembe wabo. Badre bekasha iskip esiwhite kanti leskipa lesibasicone
Ngaphansi beyangashaya nga.
Hayi wala phaka Adidas. Hayi shout out. Hayi.
And ubona do yenza nkate. Surely the market when it comes to purchasing the sales right at grand.
Hayi I'm fit. Hayi Adidas hayi asibonge.
Sicaleni ngofethu. Sangimelana sanibona ndisiyoboy phule emathibe phela neScalvin intwana seKenza khona le mkonto bathi uKenza kasha thethiswa wafethu. Ngikhuluma kanje with a heavy heart amakhosi asisubuhlungu kabuhlungu kabi but anyways this is a story for another day. Makamachita umnyawazi azoyisusa namhlanje akusena inkinga vele kwamele sikhulume ngayo. Kanjalo ngapha ngiphethe inja yami apolisi hamba nomaphoyisa afethu utayile blackening. Ubani ngicina utayile blonde.
Hola, sibo next, sibo mavocha. Si on.
Manje siza ngayi ngaku left. La magoli avele ngakhona vele ngihamba ngiyathamba ugeneral. Ugeneral siyagothe ngayiba fethu. Kuhamba kanjani ntwana yami?
Mnandi
Hayi yabona namathanga sewahlangene vele yabona.
Abafethu siyagothe shibobo mek.
Team eseBhayibheli njengoba ngisho emoji ku WhatsApp yokuphela. Ngibona iKaizer Chiefs apfele sekunana. Kusenani? The universe favors you peace. There's like peace for everyone.
When we say
like, you know,
when we say big institution.
Yeah, of crazy niggas and crazy
big institution. There are big teams and there's a big institution.
Just like ZTC. Just like ZTC. Hey, you see 3 against 1, but anyways, it's if piracy it's fine. Yeah. Abafethu khuluma ngendaba lokhuzana. Hey, edaba bafethu. Yabona mangikhuluma ngendaba nobiso buyashintsha. Phela singizozwa ama-outcome ukuthi bana bacabangani. Before actually siyithasha. Kunalento engangiphathanga kahle mina. Bekuthi ama-player awekho discipline. Futhi more especially ama-player eKaizer Chiefs singazi namanye ama-club. Uyangithola. Ama-player thina masikhule basitshela ukuthi masihamba siyocampa ukuthi we must switch on yonke into ihambe ngomumo. Akayi izinto zami ngathi ziyaliphanisha ke le nto le ebenza ukuthi bangadlali badlala udodi. Anyways ngoba sengishilo ke sengizozwa ngo-top bathini ngegame ezolo. Because I don't have much to say, but I'll actually put an input afterward. Ngizocala ngayi ngaku right. Njengamihla. So wena balela mucabanga ngegame ezolo baya.
Paka.
Fasa.
Happy.
Happy people.
Obvious. Happy people.
Awuna mas.
Yeah.
Uhappy nje.
Arikhili mfana ubekazi ukuthi wenzani.
Awamela bekhona manje.
Big institution.
Kwamela bekhona manje.
Obvious. Hayi amachita adlalile izola adlalile feed makayi. Khona lama moments lawa bengathi bafuna ukubloma abameli Chiefs ize so yakhe like sidinga amagoli. We need goals. Because of sabona ukuthi the league le iyavala. Sibhekile ukuthi iyaphi ngabo. It's possible ukuthi okay sharp experience this other team ifike and then laba mele ba maintain I pressure level ebakuyo. So Fede badlalile quick goals. Ama-intentions siwabonile vele like from first wesile. Sibonile where uRile attempt a shot at goal. Then corner, okay. Lesibona ukuthi vele hayi laba bafuna in goal fast, and it happened after
4 minutes, 5 minutes.
somewhere yabo. So like I think most them ukubona ngo like hayi Machita atla no yabo. And then leader ding movie really last week ra batla certain players tse lo go tlamile di khutle da di dlala. And then yetsa la ding e leng ke nganywang ke taba ya hore why ne re mbatla ka lla ka yena, so it's because of utlisa balance ko medleleng. If uka check nemtetshela adlala le Makaula awuna balance e re tholang ambatha le Makaula badlala le two kutsho Makaula ba more comfortable adlala le la because of what's about e sharp box to box imbatha e khona gore re se pele offensive e khona gore like e khutle e cover because of mabala ke ka sha Makaula mfetnal comfortable mo golong a re qalla play from the back a re hladise mna. That's when re khona ho bona yomremis badlala diwene re batla badlale ka teng. A police I understand udlala 10 ukudlala as a wing, but then nombono ka mthu what yabo. So Mbuthuma okay sharp neli nkatsho ke re neli decoy ka tselanyana tse ding la dlala as a false because of nanza distractor defense yin mara le ke le hipo ka ba no bona ke nze ina tsho wabo. I knew guy come is coming. The moment vuma ke mbona vuma yena tsho once abada I knew it okay. They don't complement each other. On partnership, I also need the partnership yabona. So I was here for okay. The natural thing, kile mbobo ya rona. Kile ya rona kile. That's so like nekili for okay. No ka Mbuthuma ke Mbuthuma okay sharp. Ma gotla kele. Je tla bona go tsa jwa.
Na magana tla le Jade was unfortunate.
Exactly. So yeah, I think the balance bile teng, and then Machita komrao captain Spanile because of I nasabatle next.
He wasn't taking any prisoners.
Yeah,
Bani Dlonti.
yeah, Dlonti alidlaleli Dlonti nalo Fede sipochaine kana le vacationing, I don't know etsala ka yena la relaxitsa controller game amna because of ke mbona le dapi la center o tshego bola relaxitsa ntse shebile Chiefs is not pressing aba press. So that it says a lot ka way both teams all one na batla more game compared to the other. So Chiefs we are gonna nesa ba because of it's a qeta go goal nesa bontshe Chiefs like batla go kora babo. That's why Timang Silva he was frustrated because of Nasna supply. So question naga ke putsa ntwe one okay Ndlovu we ba some Kenya because of Ndlovu ke play long ka game tse so wa show up babo. Why o dladisa batho ba le gono ntse ba sa dlale ola long ka game important game ke la ngene re lela last week Pirates dlala le Sundowns wa resta di player tse re di needang o di sacrifice o kenya batho ba le gono abana experience ba ka dlala game so one thola. So I think Chiefs nje e lose it ka team selection ya bona.
Yeah, and self-sabotage. Yeah.
Self-sabotage.
Like ilile mfethu game isoqala. Kasha status kare but ba re costa game isoqala ka o sheba line up. Ntsoqala Miguel umisa kae. Wa understand? And jwanong ntshwane ke shebile okay fair ke understand gore ntwana tse bo Villa o shabalane ba tsa mo Kenya discipline but ka game important so ba Kenya discipline up.
So like ke yona le leng ba costile le leng if ever never need tactical changes then they ba costile tactical changes tsa bona because of now ntwana tse di dlala so la ile gore ba kena second half but still ntse di dlala ba ka momentum yo ba dlala. This is a big game Joe.
And there's another thing again noticing. Let's say for an example what like okay hope mo ashailing Silva late ne when only no man enter it to penalty complexion of game never change. Why? Because Skawucho naturally but they were not hungry enough for
to win the game.
It felt like they were like okay Pirates really you know what let's just
This is what it is.
You understand? Because in fact, I watch my first half, no shot at goal, no shot on target,
Exactly.
not even a corner.
Hence Pirates 22 quick goals ka first half. Half time so really 2-0. Like igcineni ngiyetsala la dinyo like Pirates lead Chiefs 2-0. Phela nani expected 4 goals like uyakanna. Nani expected 4 goals, 2 goals first half. Kutsho there's more coming. Mina i-goal tse ding tse tlang because of ke se re bona mo na le ntwe seng right ga bona and no bona ba nkentse ka ma ba Pirates. They wanted to sit back by Emily Chiefs tlo bona and then no like ke ye the funny part of thing phela team e tshwara bolo na kwetelle ba gain momentum confidence ya hola because of now le end up alona defender la letsa di mistake tsa necessary le kenyetsa pressure kanti tlamele le balate batho babo this compact football le wa ya funa ukuyenza le hayi ayibahle inthu mfethu
Umshayele maringa ngithe
Ayibahle
aba
inthu.
interviewer are Kaizer Chiefs nentse ke shebeletse ne na ba setetse trap and of which trap le span wa ngithola ke ntse hore ke sa tsebe hore Kaizer Chiefs ne dlala low block o no etsalang like I can't understand like mfethu mabana ka bona nix elo ring e Kaizer Chiefs like nix
I like mfana Chiefs ba iluzitse medleleng game
Mfethu, ka go tshela ntse shayile enhle ke dula ke emphasize tabe when it comes to speed Kaizer Chiefs will never emele Pirates
yeah
and I go thola o sheba batho ba ba defendelang ke for nna le side thing instead of Munyane ba re kenyetsa Solomon fetsa nkabe maybe re bone something nyane etsahalang wa understand maybe ba kenya le player nyana tse tsela hore a yo discipline di busy ko Bramo le etsa ntse snacks wa understand kabe mfethu maybe le teng ke bile ka tshona ka rai Pirates a re wina game ya Pirates e tlo ba la qhasha
Quash.
yeah mara since we had like le ntse re ka tshong rai Pirates ya re ka e bamba leng and ba entse ba claim obana bontsha lo ga bana structure abana like awuna next nje le planning ya bona ba plana eng au chimiwa kwa ba yetsa analysis nka ba yetsi ba ntse ngwe hape o thola o sheba king goal ya Mremi goal ya Police ka ofela defender tse di mathela go goalkeeper tshwanetse kwa le motho di close down kana
ba tshira goalkeeper
I understand
a ka sheba first goal ya tempela ke deflection wa mbona go Silva o mokai sharp anything could have happened na kai blocker iskaba goal but then it happened like be deflection ibe goal whereas Vuma na ile on the right side
and I quit
na ikwetse ngele ya teng so ke deflection
ntse go bontshitse
goal number 2 ba shebeletse sebelebele atle ba maka reaction second ball aba di anticipate
that's why ke ba flat
wabo o hlalla Mamfukeng kenya ra assist ile a police di goal tse so ya hlalla ka mo right wa dikora a ka sheba first goal ya MTN8 ka Polokwane City o korile similar goal so ba qeta mphaso hlalla pasanet similar le yona wabo so like o right hore ba flat because of the third goal ne ba le flat ba focusitse ko mtholo ntse ba mmesa ba emi streamline so for ke ba itse gore ke as corner la ke throw win on offside o throw win
and then all the defender mfethu bona striker phela magopa mo na emete o mo like o mo force to ga tswele kantle like o mo push ga tswele kantle
I think ka previous episode aksabola ke episode number mang ke le ka ka Pirates ke team ya di moments because of now the moments ba di tholang ba di Spanish goal ya bi3 ke yona moment ba ithotseng ba bone throw win focus itse ba shiftile lack of concentration Chiefs ke yona ba khawathile ngore la Pirates tsene on the back go goal ya bi3 because of now magopo emile bona la lilepo mtho ba mawela Mrema ba mawela so lilepo ke umshebile a so a qeta ampraise flop ya go ampraise o ga kwala amkwale engel next wire wa ema qeta Mrema wa cross and tsele di 3 di kemetse di lebang we won magopa and umtelle cross goal
and on a leaking incident ebileng e tshunayetseng I felt like it was foul thing it wasn't like nisi foul le remember tsa koranteng ka offside
offside yeah le yona e fade wabo ke offside le ya ka nna
ya ke offside mar ke buela
the foul
buela foul ya teng ne like nisi foul ka tshongoro wa ngtsola
So like
ugayisane ka yona, but either way, like more real thing, you must be switched on because that anything can happen.
a lot has happened. In fact, the officiating and like referee batlile mi imelanyana because of one decisions tse sa di ka tse ntsa
More security.
Wow.
I favor Pirates.
That decision tse lo nga di ka penalty was supposed to be given to Chiefs.
Akusi penalty. Akusi penalty.
Okay, akusi penalty.
Tevile lo muntu lo.
Shot umshayili uwoto kan.
Napisa ukuthi umshayeli
Any contact, any contact, contact in the box. It's a penalty.
You can argue with taxi penalty. It's okay.
Okay, why taxi penalty?
Akamkhaba.
Yeah, you can argue.
Akuna contact.
Sharp.
Mangukhaba.
Okay, ngiyabona ukhaba akuna contact.
Football is a sport of contact.
Exactly, contact.
So how is it a penalty?
Bobo, don't be biased.
Angikho biased, but it's taxi penalty leya.
Sharp.
Come on. Leya.
Sharp, you can argue with taxi penalty.
Okay, uzwa ngithini. Njengoba bedlala ku Nedbank final. Njengoba Mikel aphushurele bekuyi penalty. Lebe bayikhalela bathi penalty. Ngala mphusha khona. Bekuyi penalty.
That's why.
Bekuyi penalty leya. Asiringeni iva. Bekungathi advantage uyekela ibhola lapho. Labanje ugoalkeeper. Azange zayicharge.
Lelo game.
Le Nedbank final.
Angikhumbuli mfana
bekune contact urile wathi uyamthatha wamphusha wawa goalkeeper wathatha ibhola
but okay
akusi penalty
okay sha
you can argue right not taxi penalty kube wena ubona ngakhona for mina it is a penalty wangisho kanjalo sha
yeah
ngisho kanje because of now mangicheka ngeslow motion ne sharp
umkhabili
no
you know what's a kick umkhabili yeah
is one thing Silva he won the ball. Last touch, Ega Silva. And then, lo, late. Why get a penalty? The momentum, etate uhoto. Isenze ukuthi velocity I penalty because of uye waba late. Hence, when uthi akamkhabanga. Uyangithola. And then, obviously, the commentary yasho, wow, Hoto is late. And of which is nami into ngibonile, Hoto ube late. Because of naye. Engqondweni yakhe ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyasho ukuthi sani
ngilwinile le ball
penalty because of lose ibhola and lo muntu uwine ibhola mina ngithinta ngidisk and mayibheke ngeslomusho obvious vele kodwa akalithintanga ibhola
akalithintanga
so he made a contact vicious
not
for a penalty for a penalty
into ngisho that's why izwa into ngisho when alright motaxi penalty it's fine. Angifuni si-argue ngathi le it's fine.
Asimayikhiphi slow motion sport.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Sharp akusi penalty. Mina.
Ngoba mina ngiyabeef.
The way ngibone ngakhona. It is a penalty because of he was late. Yawenza ngithi penalty ngigaye penalty because of although he was late.
Yeah.
Omunye urevi because he chatted penalty. Why? Because of ubone uhoto a late and he feels like uthi wenze a late contact and then obvious as a player as a striker you have to be uba nama tricks. We strike, we call boxing, you need a goal. We sang all dive on fit. We buying referee. Omunye referee guy charge. Lawyer because of the gada. Ubonile ukuthi you know what? Si penalty.
Just lento lefana nani?
One it's arguable this the decision.
It's only King Sundowns. Lidlala link konje. Umuntu anetho champion mutoko etho champion nanti.
Bang.
Ntwana etswanko nebuwa kana last week. Ntwana etswanko King empty.
TDC. It's beer. This beer, okay, man.
Yeah, I think it's beer. But that's beer. I'm going to momentum what disk. Ntwane wetenteng. Emshayile ke man Ntwane ke man futhi ke man Ntwane. Yabo Mahlambi man.
Mahlambi.
Yeah, Mahlambi. Ntwane phela wetenteng ithi sebholo kai yabe yaleni. Wangithola hore immediate phela Ntwane
any contact.
Exactly, any contact.
Yes. Any contact.
And it wasn't it wasn't that effective enough.
Into ke chonke re hot unandile ke momentum or you know what? Ibile late. Revro mo na tlo penalty. Lens me na tlo phamisa flag ga penalty. O mo na tlo
ML.
Ntho etsa itse mo bana gore ML.
How my beg we one.
It's arguable.
Angifuni slow motion bafethu.
No, it's arguable.
Bheka slow motion umkhabile khuluma
but icontact
hayi man bafethu sikhuluma ngekick kick ukuthi penalty bheka slow motion bheka uthi uyabheka bheka cela uyibheke bheka slow motion bheka ngitshela contact bheka slow bheka
contact baba kathinta ngabholo lo muntu
mina ngikhuluma
akathinta amabholo akathinta amabholo
awuthiyami for i-penalty my argument is nge-Nedbank Cup kumele sithole i-final because umthintile eboxini
ukuthi ibone kanjani
come on bheka ngayi awuthiyami bheke ngale angle le bheka
contact
where's the kick here
ithi ngibeke kule situation uwe uSilva la you are a striker you need an equalizer Joe
you buy the ref
you do anything to buy
so we agree so now you agree you buy the ref you buy the ref so you agree with me
no I'm agreeing
it's not a penalty ngeke thenga uri
when ufuna sithi akusi penalty mina ngithi penalty and wena uthi penalty it's fine
mina ngibona siprove
it's fine
mina ngithi contact
okay ama-contact ayenzakala egamini wonke kumele kuba amafoul
yabona bafuna ukuphendula uze ngikayi chance
okay asiringeni-ke khona indaba ye-contact
uzongikayi chance
yeah
sharp yabona lento okhuluma ngayo karile noMiguel i-contact ureva kayijaja so ngitshela ukuthi bengeke kube i-penalty but there's a contact laphaya
cela ukuphendula so leyo incident leyo bekumele kube i-penalty
contact
bekumele kube i-penalty yes or no
yes
bafethu i-football is sports of contact
it is sports of contact but
so
now
each and every contact is a foul okay as agreed if we agree on this one that means
if
penalty
if the ref doesn't have contact
asibeke so if every asibeke outside the box there's a contact it has to be a foul yeah
contact if there's contact it must be a foul
every contact
the answer I'm saying
every contact is a foul
ngisho ukuthi kuya ngore
gents penalty
for me it's a penalty
so ikick yabona ngabe uthe wamkhava that's a penalty uthe mfethu wabona ukuthi ibhola kalithintanga wamisa inyawo wathi
so bobo
la minyawo azange sacedelela whatever bekathiwe
okay sharp ase ngizobuyela emuva ithi maybe ngithole example going back to ilokhuzana igame king kanokuzala AFCON dile ngiyamosa la mo kimang mo dawa mthintanga so ba charge le ntwe according to what contact
yeah
okay yaba penalty
yeah
hence ke tshoro o tswa ko referee rena wa ibona contact or I bone wa award penalty or award we move on that's all VAR by it's VAR
the first decision is final for you is not a penalty for me
it's a penalty
and shooting mina no referee sibonite fana
yeah when no referee bonite
there's no contact
comment
there's a contact but that's not a penalty
was that a penalty or not
that's why mina ngisakusi penalty ngibukela iMadrid nini yes Mbappe wangena ngedisk 18 yes le yambamba leya but ile commentator that it's too light for ukuthi kube i-penalty leya
sharp
you understand
opinion yakhe
uyangibona ukuthi ngiyava referee zanga zayijaja
okay sharp bobo so
cause football is a sport of
contact and ngisho ngithi it's arguable
abanye abantu babona i-penalty
for you is not a penalty for you is not a penalty I'm not disagreeing
and again
I'm not
bobo
agreeing now or whatsoever but then for me it's a penalty because of some reasons why
how many
what does the law say
how many teams have got penalties with such lokuzana incident
okay abba umthetho
so why bathe penalty
asikhipheni umthetho we-penalty
so
let's go by the law
so we'll agree to disagree
no let's go by the law
angeke siqhubekele phambili because khuluma into one and you stuck in one
let's go by the law
go with the law
sibona ukuthi umthetho bowuzothini ukuthi penalty leya or not
contact sports
exactly
contact sports njengoba utshilo
penalty leya ngingachubeka nje i-offside igoli leya i-offside kumbatha sharp leya offside goal leya offside
leya offside
leya ngiyibone na before bayiveza nge-slow motion ukuthi vele leya i-offside
offside
bonile urun ekucala la mari ye-penalty
mina ngisasho ukuthi penalty mina ngizositshela lapho phansi ukuthi ngicabangani yabo
anyala chief
ngizositshela phansi
abantu baya-argue phela ukhumbule Chiefs and Pirates so
mina ngina beef maleya
and bafethu nevertheless congratulations to Orlando Pirates but ukusala mina ngisamile penalty ayenzekanga ngisamile but penalty
kahle labantu lawa sibarobhile asibiki kanjalo Chiefs was robbed the penalty
sibabopha.
okay
so
wafethu
boys in denial yabo and then
no he's not in denial
uyala yabo so like
opinion yakhe
kuma comment section bafethu sanicela ke nisitshele ngahle
akusi penalty.
wabo kumele
engage with us
wakumele
comment
wamele
akusi
basathe
penalty.
nento eshoyo
Yeah, akusi penalty.
what
Buccaneers
F8
Buccaneers.
F8
Fascinations.
Kuna Buccaneers kuna
Brackets.
coach kuna comment akusi penalty le.
Okay bafethu moving forward wena Bobo mawucabanga ukuthi yini kahle kahle
athi sizwe vele
awafethu
Mr Argument
Kama
sure
Penalty le yadlala.
kama sure
no like this step like it's lo re ke tore ngwana moving forward re
Oh, about the game.
no like bengifuna like the question I wanted to ask
Yeah.
ukuthi yini into iyenze right yenza ukuthi uwine le game leli
Esiyenze right Pirates.
angithi benhlala kunalento leyo ukuthi you feeling like ubadu ngathi distance ulokhuzana ngathi sort of like we changes into futhi according to lama loss lawa andlule lawa yi2 so yini into eniyenze grand yenza ukuthi like iPirates ibe le Pirates 11 ifuni njengoba uSteve asho ukuthi noma kuba mosho ngathi ngizwile ukuthi hayi man udlala amanga
Yeah. Mina ne sibuyele kule 2 games esidli. Ngifila ngazuthi yazi comfortability masuba comfortable endaweni. Ufila ngazuthi hayi man. Yeah, manje abona bopule mode type of things. Bese comfortable because of besekana left wing competition da. Yabo. So bengifila ngazuthi abantwana lawo bebafaka bese ba comfortable because maybe I'm a favorite ka coach yabo. Bebazi ukuthi coach uzobafaka nani. Sibilibili okay maybe ubonile last game ukuthi hayi singiphakamisa isokisi because maybe uDVR uyezula and maybe ulibitso naye uyaphola uyabona ukuthi hey zingangikhale yabo yeah ulibitso khawathekile yangithola waphakamisa yangithola izolo simbonile kuDivi man of the match vele mina vele ngifeel ukuthi vele man of the match for mina umremi waba umremi winga la today not le winga leli mele uma uphatha ibhola uyagijima uyemasayidini uyagijima nja sometimes mele uvala ibhola mfethu ama teammate wakho ima uyale uyakuba asadlali 4-4-2 le yakudala yes thatha ibhola zilifake maphakathini sagijima side uyagijima into zakudala lezi no mawinga kuyakhathwa ini no kudlala ama 1-2 ne strike uyavela kushawe yabo tonyana ezinjalo so izolo phakamisile ubonile into mina bengisho yabona mangithi
check askis yeah
mangithi kumele kube ne coaching in the team ngikhulumela into ezifana nalezi ukuthi ngiba ne bad game next game improve ama mistake wakho uyawabona uyalungisa lapho siyashuthi okay here this coaching so what into ayenzile I think wathathile ama gents because uzwile bekaringa vele bekangaringi grand bekangekho happy na ngiwathathile wabona ukuthi bafethu this and this I'm not happy with nemthatshela wamdonsa wafaka umbatha into abantu bayikhalela ukuthi unemthatshela ka Sky le balance boringa ngayo lesidinga in the middle that person ozosenza ukuthi man
connect
inhliziyo ye team uyangithola because of inhliziyo mayingaphambi grand umzimba mama still yonke into angeke iziva igreen uyangithola so wamfaka umbatha that's the good thing ayenzile le indaba kaMbuthuma because of angisamthembi nyana man unokungilahla na izolo uMbuthuma ngabe ukore 2 goals uye bekumina ngabe ukore 2 goals first half ama runs wakhe njalo mawashaya apolice nabo umrimi mabavela from the side babafaka ibhola balifaka ku face pole njalo yini ungada njalo yini ungada uma hopa makangena bekakhe ukore kanjani
face pole
chijimile ku face pole wadla disc mnandi cool into engikhalela uMbuthuma uyangada uya khona umuntu ngada iza ku first pole athekhe first pole amabhola azada and esithola ama chance ayi2 kanjalo la besikhala ukuthi wayangayi ku first pole because if bekada bekazokora definitely kwamagugu so that's why bengekho sure ngangithuthele laba abalimele bebalimele so maybe uyafuna ukumanage that thing that's why maybe baqale ngombatha wathazi ngifaka umbatha nomahobho kwi2 at least bebalimele yabo singifaka at least oyi1 feet nyana yabo then yonke into ya click
So you say
Pirates ya click wabuyisa uwoto that's why mina ngithi in games like this into bengikhalela in games like this uthola ufaka amasoja ayicavayo rating le laba bangayicavi sharp ungafaka 1 or 2 but uyabafaka ukuthi bazi ukuthi okay lama game pressure yakho ni so in unamthajela umfake second half afeel ukuthi abone ukuthi yo against Derby it's a different world it's not like
and he performed
sidlala ngegalant so in uyangithola you have to feel cala yale game so that next time abakuqalisa negame
ubusuwazi
then you know ukuthi okay in this game buso naso hayi ukuthi mfethu labantu labo yabalahlela bonke because wena usitshela ukuthi okay these guys bayaspana that is why bengithi mina somehow for me le ntwana lezo ngazifaka makafaka experience balance yabo midlilini ufake maybe 1 or 2 is experience defense kanjalo phambili so that kube ne balance manje wena mawubalahlela usitshela hoping ukuthi they will change things they won't because of Sundowns is more experienced and bonke labantu bebadlala ku Sundowns umuntu omusha sho bekayi1 or 2 but laba abanye bebadlala ne Pirates so they know the pressure ye game they know the feel of the game they know what to do so thina mawusifakela abantu abangayabo bayadlala but bazoba shaky because of the pressure ngithola so game la izolo mfethu into ayenze right izolo stabilize middle yaba stable bafaka i-football of the season lapha emiddle number 10 faka uApollos yabo ngayibona ngathi okay lineup le yes i-defense ngiyabona abantu bebakhala ngobhodlela in mina bengizoprefera yena because bekazofaka because usesana kekho umuntu be-own experience ali game kumele afake ubhodlela enodlalile izo
nodlalile because usincintshe yonke into mfana evela yakhe
udlalile ngibona ashana ama flying kick
so another thing so when are you saying Mbuthuma he can't read the game
uMbuthuma aziwenzani ntanga uMbuthuma can read the game
so where is he flopping
movement
yeah but if your movement is wrong that simply means you can't read the game because you have to read the game for you to go first pole
no I feel like no igame uyayiread but
zona
ezimkhawathayo
akhona umuva
the way
like
yena igame yakhona uyakhona ukuthi manje sesiyamove yangithola but yena movement yakhe ziplayer yena aka movie le akusinto ukuthi akayenzi into obonayo ukuthi izo benefits nawo that's what I'm saying do you see now where ingena vara ukuthi iDerby ipressure ayifani ukuthi bedlala neGallant or bedlala neRichards Bay yangithola it different because of iDerby mfana it's a
different ball game
it's a totally different because of iDerby kahle kahle mayidlala Saturday iDerby icala Monday
kahle
ipressure izwa Monday bengibukele le podcast abotiko bayasho la nabulinda mtamba bathi awuthema icala prior mawuye emall uze garage bakutshela uyimakele yabo abayisifune yabo so iDerby is the place icalile uyafeel ukuthi the game leli yangithola so there's pressure so imagine wena mentality yakho the whole week uzolebela ucabanga ukuthi yo elabantu bafuna ngimake lo muntu labantu bafuna yangithola
leader lenyewe ungaflopi I think lead player
yabashaya
wana no sana qotena ya wa tlamela ke tse di mistake and ke mote mo tlamela tse di mistakes anke re team tlamela di etse di mistake re bone go di
and go tshela var game
because of
the mistakes of Pirates and football what's why balwanelana batho
Exactly.
Yeah.
so
Unity.
that's why kere ubheke iKaizer Chiefs maqala ibamba ibhola the first man on the ball makuba ne loose ball Pirates ikhona yathatha umuntu wesi2 you understand so kuyabonakala ukuthi imistake mfethu it's something that you bound to happen
You are humans.
but now then again if you're afraid of making mistakes where else you know pretty well ukuthi team yakho ingakulwela so that simply means ukuthi when it comes to trust you're not like 100 yezwa lento le so if
into beyenzakala ku-Chiefs
bruh, if you don't trust your players then why are we still playing
into beyenzakala mfana that is why mina angisafuni ukuringa kayo yabona mfana Sundowns ne-Chiefs angifuni ukuringa kabhaya because of coaching mfana iyenzakali there like mfana izolo mfana bayenza izinto engazi-understand bengazi-understand labantu laba mfethu the last time they did right kumidlilo bebafaka uNdlovu noMabuza that's the last time they did something good after lapha zange basabadlalisa ku-2
mina mfethu what
I don't understand like why Joe
what I don't understand masiqala ileague siqale
On a good
sine squad esicabanga ukuthi siyathembisa then we played like 4 to 5 games after lawo games ubona izinto ziyashintsha then you ask yourself ukuthi okay what's happening are you still trying to figure out mfethu already you have something moving forward ngeke uwina amagame a5 ngabantu ongekho sure ngabo you understand sho ukuthi kunento ibuildayo kuleyo nto already ngunamagame a5 kunento soyibuildile kuleyo
5 games
so mawuzo move kwigame e6 usafuna experiment futhi ya dismantle
into bengikhalisa ngowathu ukuthi
rotation. It's not time for rotation.
ile nto leka
rotation mfethu like
He's a
uma
winger.
ungakhumbula Grant masiwina
He's a wing.
anoma Sundowns bedlala naye Orlando that day size sifikile beka right way why are you changing that why mfethu
Killing the players' confidence.
lento le impact players they right at that time uyangithola ukuthi uzomkhipha uSibilibili afaka uMrima nini uzocala ngoMrima beke uSibilibili ebenchini
sesiyazi
yabo
by interchange
nabo boyithuse bayazi ukuthi ozongena kucala mina abulale mangena ngiyacedelela ozongena yabo kuba na rating leyo then wena masoyithatha soyamthatha umbeka ku right back manje sofaka like manje uDVR ukhona la
I'm
like
confused.
like
Confused
mfethu
players.
manje soshadizi lento le yenza ku real against Sundowns amthatha
On the side
umdlalo
team.
yabona izolo umbeke ku number 10 wadlala ku number 10 and bengihappy ngathi yabona ke yiwo amagame ekumele amfake ku number 10 aso yangithola adlale nalama player lawa yangithola because ngibonile ukuthi baba asayinile ukuthi leya
Dila naye.
kumele siyimakini lentwana leya kumele siyimakini lentwana leya
bafocus ku real kakhulu
exactly
bakhohlwa abanye ama players
Yansi nikele frustrated.
Exactly.
Ke re le tlamela at. The reason why I sat. The intimidation or really still there.
And another thing I think Padu when second does come keep you know why
nami ngisho kanjalo
if nam keeping
Then
like mindset abo ne shift
Leyo shit,
bheka seke enough masibafaka ucela
control immediately.
besika comfortable real ukuthi ama triple discount azolibeke naphansi uyangithola into embuilder yilo ama game lawa so I am build uyangithola mina so beka right la kutheni bengihipa angalelo kumchange amenza in because umbone noma sekafaka uTito still urile beka
Akashifta.
azange azashift beka lebelaya la
Because of
kutheni
photo he was busy.
to beka busy nalela side leya but yena bekada kutheni Spani that is into engishoyo ukuthi ama game na so just put dudes
and
abajwayele i-pressure yama game so
and kunento kunalento ecede kusho ukuthi bayalwelana ne and yabona bebalona nangakhona bengi like nende vobele show ke mangukameta ngena ku match
Yeah. True.
kile wait once bekade ngelwa
yeah bekuMakhawula
Makhawula, he played well. A police
No,
played
Apolisi.
well.
Apolisi.
Mremi
udlalile
lintwana kimansi yema kisema right
yeah same hayi
Libone.
le ntwana le hayi
adlalile intwana true
idlalile
and jona wabona nalibhodlela khona I feel like they complement each other
Yeah,
in a way you understand
yeah sekune
atswa wa close mara o close wa so close o full ushebile pass etlanka mo ga khona go like shifting left and right.
So i-Chiefs ngiyacava ukuthi kunezinto ezenzakalayo la yabo. There are things that are happening but
outside into
yeah le ntwana zina discipline nana but ukhumbule no iDebi ngithola ayifani namanye amagame. Buza uJabupuli baba bebamlanda amanzi bazi ukuthi kudlala iDebi manje isikhathi sekwenza in asikho. Kevin Hunt bekalanda Masipusane Zong athi bengimlande Cape Town eMountela Petit Store bengimtshela ukuthi baba kusasa dlala igame serious. Uyangithola ezinye izinto zinjalo Thiyanga akumelanga uze uthathe lento ukuthi le ntwana lezi nani ene ngifuna ukuthi siye kulayini le ukuthi le ntwana lezi njengoba bathi discipline what ezenzeni angithi sizwile bathi bezenzani na kumele singabheki ukuthi le ntwana lezi zithunini zenzeni le ntwana zi wrong nani asibhekini ukuthi icala vava mfethu le ntwana lezi kokucala azina mindeni eyabo family yami like unemedi nabantwana nani azina riding list sasiyintwana
Azina responsibility
engako ane so akusinto ukuthi sothi hey maybe ekhaya le ntwana lena yabo abayithuthi granddad it's why uyabona ukuthi lento le it's from the team whatever le discipline babo benzeke because of the team siyasoyibheka kanjani umduda bayamfaka bayamfaka nini bamfaka sekenafu wenza nawe iziplayers buza like yini wrong yenza uyamesa ukumesa mfethu siya ibhola linjalo uzomesa
yazi moshela
kumesa ukumesa uvila bengifila ngazuthi le ntwana leya yazi bayenza bayifaka sekenafu sekenafu so njalo uma bayifaka sekenafu idla bayiqalise negame ingadlali lento abayifunayo angayenzi bese bayamthatha bamhlalisa ebenchini so nayo uyazibuza ukuthi uzokhula kanjani. Let's be honest. So lezo zinto lezo I think izicale yabo sezenza ukuthi kuyafana ngingidlala kuyafana nje ngisebenchini kuyafana athi ngenza isuza aqala zizoya ebushaya zizocala zenzini zibulala isitoko zenza then siyazithi le ntwana lezi sapeta wayenza so but sizibuze lento leyicala va. That's where iPSL Academy ingena khona ukuthi that is why mina ngithi PSL bayingavula iacademy
izinto ezifana
at this young age le ntwana lezi basifundise ilife ukuthi kuso ene mawudlala idisc hayi ukuthi uzocala udlala ngene gaming uhlale wenza Tito example Tito after legend ikhuluma ngaye in from lela drop but azangazazi relax athi sinyomhlaba yenza he kept on working njengoba manje simbona ukuthi sikubo Tito ashaya abantu ngama special 10 ayenzani manje yangithola into ama-agents angiba blame basaseyintwana
the confidence like it builds up yabona Tito njengoba bekalo ma lokhu siphala on yourself nakhona uphethe abo Steve uphethe abantu nabazokhuthaza umntwana uyazi na ukuthi uplay njani keep on going
ngiyengeleyo anya njengileyo iringa ngama senior players weChiefs ayenzani kuzo le ntwana lezi yini role abadlala kule ntwana lezi senior players.
Can I cook before the senior players? There's like you see when it comes to Derby, I feel like when it comes to foreign coaches, they don't understand what it is.
Okay.
Why ngisho kanjalo? Uyawuza umntwana thini? uJabupuli bebamlanda amanzi uMasipusane Zombe bamlanda sehotel nani. You know pretty well ukuthi okay these boys are not disciplined for certain reasons, right? But because you understand iDerby ukuthi yini, you would have felt at the players. But because you don't understand ukuthi phela if mina, let's say for example I'm a coach like South Africa, a coach say Germany, you won't get the feel that I feel. You understand? Una lentshotho bona ngore phela lena se ke siritsisa lapha and I need to make sure sponsor ka mfetsa bona se ba grand wa mtsole ke Derby in face, like you need to like preserve siritsisa team. And after siritsisa team upule Kaizer Chiefs no make yakaba out of form or Pirates for that matter yakaba out of form, but when I dlala Derby doesn't count.
Phela le ntwana le ubani le
Okay, it does count, but yeah.
ubani le ntwana le ebayifaka the past few games Mabaso ubani ledla le midline
Mtash.
do you understand
Wazi.
masingavunduka bathi naye beke busy yenza in uzomblame bayamfaka
Bayamkhipha.
uyezwa uyabona ukuthi okay is promising uyezwa you need coaching. You need to coach these guys. You need to mentor these guys. You need to deal with these guys grand ubabonisa ukuthi mfethu idisk kanje nakanye asidleni ibhola yabona lama mistake lawa mabona mongenza so in you coach these guys ukuthi yazi build confidence ku manje wena uyamphaka umphaki umphumile naye akasunderstand like khamba yangithola phela yena akunanto ukuthi I need to work hard. Yes, you need to work hard, we know that. But yena kuya yikho because of yena usitshela ukuthi I'm working hard but angidlali.
What's the use of me working hard?
Do you understand? Mara makune coaching build these guys. Ba build for into ezigreen.
Lento Steve uqeda ukuyibamba manje le ama senior team ukuthi bayenzani, it does have an effect.
Because senior players they need to take responsibility ukuthi
manje da kukhosi la mawuthi senior players uzobala ba
bakhona ama player ukuthi
bala 3
dala abadlali Kwinika he grew up there. He's a senior player.
Yeah, we consider him as a senior player.
He's a senior player.
But nakhona
Even though age-wise, but then he's a senior player.
Ngithola uyayibona lento engisho.
Mabuye he grew up kuChizi then wahamba but
azima ngithi senior players sikhuluma ngeplay linjani sithi ubhodlela noMakhawula
sha
yayizwa lady uyababona labantu la yeah.
So what I'm saying is le ntwana lezintwana you've got senior players a team in senior players they need to take responsibility ukuthi le ntwana lezi bangabi off rails bayenza izinto snacks outside because of that le izobakhawatha
and it cost
a team you understand so like for example cheka iraga Jose Rivero maka introducer these youngsters le ntwana lezi bazi integrate ku senior team kuna abo Makhawula senior player seasoned player bodlela lo mshoyo and then you have your Chinese ilibele yakhula experience yakhe already sekacava a lot about ilon team for me is a senior player and then hoto yabo ntonyana tse jwalo ka bantwana tse ba di keepile grounded tse jwalo have you ever had anything along snacks outside that next
actually none that we know of
your Nkotas slap akadlala akayithola game time ngiyezwa bathi kuna
bengithi
izinto snacks abo dancing it's because of baba keep the grounded boMakhawula what I like about Makhawula into ayenza kule ntwana lezi time in time makudlala igame makabona le ntwana le ngathi team like ya drop ubheke kubana nekhokasinyana makuthi khona iplayer maybe injured ba business kuba nekhokasinyana la uzomthola la uMakhawula if not Makhawula told chain it shows leadership nobusini ababo ukuthi yazini let's not drop the ball let's focus in
let's pushing yeah
ngidengile into elekhaya mina for mina iyaleka la uChizi le ntwana lezi zizoyenza kaso because of akunamuntu ozigayira like I can even guide you like same age but because of I've been there ufita wena ngakghona go like mfethu
you are more experienced
aretse so focus kamele we okay yeah mfethu relax man aretse that into grand
ile ngwafaka ukwinika lapha
you understand plus same lingo same style same age group ba understand
you know
why
now I understand I know what you say
if we consider Kwinika as like our children can be the same age but now it goes with leadership skills and stuff like that izolo actually nento esiqedwe uyibona manje uKwinika ushiwa umremu uyasmile like those are things that you can question ukuthi if wetala so then you still joke about this what is it that you can tell me as a
team into a teacher because
like
of
it's rooted in Canada
they need people banila abantu baloko batoba mfethu shaspan focus wabona in as much as Miguel is a favorite player for me is more like a senior player because of
the leadership
and what kile leng lo ga ka yes even though as a perform grand but then the fact that go gona umashala like ntwana tsa di like isongwe ka di control
Thapelo
per se
Coke ke Kaizer
Adi-
Chiefs.
wa nthola a di bele mfethu and exactly ke da lenge qoka a etsang la ko Pirates even though a sa dlala mara o kgona ho bona hore na le influence ko some of decisions tse etsahalang wa nthola I think yona le lenge le khang ko ntwana nyane tse nyane hence re utlwa ho
Bachakato.
Ba-
And
Busy
bengithi
in-
ngiyada
yabo.
lento abontanga bebadlala Tuesday.
you see
Abadlala badlala.
Badlalile.
udlalile ushabalala
Novile
ungenile
ngithi
Eh.
bamfakile.
Bangenile.
Badlalile. So that is why ngithi sama lento leyo ukuthi wela ama-room abathi ill-discipline
Yabo.
yabo.
Asazi.
I-rumors
Zwe kanjalo.
ziqhamuka somewhere.
Mm.
Akuna-rumors ovele vele
Because of-
nje.
But then nami sengibona kunama-tweets basho ukuthi hayi siyababona vele indawo
Omunye
so,
angathi-
so, so, so.
it's a technical change asazi
Mara
Yabo.
teng, I think re beile ra highlighter kaofela la ding most ebile lona o di la highlighter di ding ya da rena coach da sa
Yeah.
ntse na le bo assistant
Yeah.
coach
yeah
ba sa tsebeng hore ba
Ah,
etse
that is
because
no
mfethu
coaching.
mfethu na aka understand mfethu re team e growth bo coach ba interchange nini coacha o nini coacha o nini like you don't understand nini change like mfana asina into solid esina
Yeah,
esina
Inte-
Taba ya coach
into
ite issue
eyenzakele
kakhulu.
Tuesday bandlala ne-Stellenbosch first half
nani
niyadlala niya-attack
second half
bafethu besidlala ibhola
Shiki.
so ngizongitshela if ngiyabheda ne first half siyadlala siya-attack team siyifikele scorer one goal ke maka siya-create ama-chance sifikile
Convert.
nami there was a point ngibukele ngithi ngeke sibuye i-Stellenbosch la azikwatile lezi and zizowina second half amaplayer abuya it's like ngathi kunento eyenzakele change room
bathe
Ngathi
i-change room.
khona into eyenzake
Mm.
sudden amaplayers sewarile sewamile awasathi aligaba igame
Hayi bayigayile la
okay uKevin Hunt naye ushaya ama-substitute grand
Mm.
la Fede yeah credit to him ushaya ama-sub grand but still Joe yini beniphethe igame
upper hand very upper
kumele
hand
banifile nalabo bantu laba ababafakile ukuthi hayi lezi ziyeza instead mfethu labantwana bagaya igame bayakora one
and for the fact ukuthi
niyadlala niyachubeka nibagaya same ukwinika wenze the same mistake izolo yayenze Tuesday uTitus kuzaze ukwinika ntango da emidlini da Tuesday bekathi uslider leya da ngizibuza ukuthi ufunani da because they are middle fielders le out leya yaphasa uTitus da same spot izolo apolice
ilifamily bamgaye khona la
urile
Mm.
wadala ama-window lawa
Waplomeka
bawafakile
nje,
hhayi,
eh.
aweplastic wawaphula wonke same thing Tuesday ngazibuza ngathi hayi man le fault le yenziwa umuntu oyi-one semangibheka i-replay ngathi umuntu oyi-one it's like ngathi ufuna ukuba into bengisho ufuna ukuba i-hero
you can't
you can't
That goes up to Lilepo as well.
we are
you
a
can't
team
we are a
we must work
team
as a team
abadlala namele bamake
kumele bashaya ispanisa
namele position that is why uPep wakhipha uHenry waba for ukuthi umosha i-dimension ye-formation nale way-positioning ngakhona because wena uma usuke uya da so uyimoshile masingathola ibhola kumele sipase da awukho uyangithola kunika bekumele azimele da ngabe kumele amake khona
Okay.
lama-window lawa yabe wangeka yenzeki nalela Tuesday belingelenzeki nalela izolo belingelenzeki
and then into abakhawathile yilona the second ball akakwasheba phela goal ya police it comes from being a second ball
Yeah,
Yeah.
Balintsasebenzile
balintsasebenzile laphaya
one yena vela
urile
so like
wafika
the second
lapha
ball
wathi.
it's on reaction agents
It goes to ama-middle fielder goes to ama-middle
Babili.
fielder wabo we-two laba abadlala la
It's flat. You know mfana
Hayi,
into
there's
ekhanyile
no coaching
Mangena-
ngiyabona bathi ama-player
Ah,
kufuneka
yonke
amabhala hayi
police. makabamba ibhola kunala wathena waqeda le wathena waze wadlula kunale
waze
So,
wangenelela
you ask yourself Uri, if a police atshwara bhola umufa respect so what more can he dala
wawulata
my point exactly
direct
bra.
bidding
Cause mfethu
Into
disturb
sure.
batho sheba okay rile mfethu ra tseba rile right rile ke player etsang dintho it was my first time ke bona rile donsa motho ka skip okay nna o ya ka nna it was my first time so a ile jwalo wa khona bona lo no Raman lo umuntu amakeka inini why can't you just faka nyawo le bra
I mean
Ma-
yabona
respect
yabona lento leyisho yilento le bayenza Tuesday it's like they just gave
ball
Stellenbosch
watching
respect
ball watching bra
ukuthi now into engisho ukuthi yazi mfana sobuyela indaba sibuyela kuma episode
akubonisa ukuthi lento esikhulumayo mfethu like
ilento bengisho ukuthi abo coach badlalela i-profile yabo. It me what profile because of how can you score one and want to stay
like you winning nayizolo phela kunala ayinele la unalimo mood yathwara mbhola uqeda akithi ufitile like wabona tripping ya umayina sithe 1 aqeda uthansa ipilo ujike la uyona 1 i-recovery akhuthethe bhola omrawo izolo mfana ngikutshela ntwana besingana creativity umuntu okhona ukuthi momphasa ibhola athene ngebhola same time athathe responsibility angene and manje mina believe ukuthi lo mlungu wethu I don't think position number 10 is for him. You know why? I feel like it's more of the way he plays is more of a winger. I don't understand.
Udlala 8.
Yeah, it's more like uhlala ala.
Ngicela ukudisagree kancane Daniel. Mina I think that guy can play number 10.
Yeah.
Ne? Ngizwe Grants.
I'm listening.
Mina
sengikhulumela kule game ezolo leyo bekadlala ngakhona wasn't
number 10. Ngifuna ukuya da.
Yeah.
Mina for me uye ngaba number 10 if umdota akekho. Yabo? Or bangalwela scheme boy2.
Badlale boy2 umunye nje
uMamosha nomreni. Yeah, bangadlala boy2. But then the problem is coaching. Mina ngizokutshela coaching.
Coaching
that guy angayidlala number 10.
Okay, sharp.
As that guy azudlala njengobani? Njengale i-Sundowns lo.
Bani?
Adams.
Number 10.
Santos, yeah.
Ivulele sayidini liwa.
Yeah, ivulela ngayi.
Uyangithola?
Ivulela ngayi.
Yabona mabangamtshela ukuthi
angithi right
own 10 iba playmaker. Owner le da, owner. Be everywhere da. Untanga
angayidlala.
Yakwazi ukuphasa le out. Ngibone Tuesday.
Ngibone ngama reverse pass. Ama reverse pass.
Okay, what pass?
Can break windows.
Awusheba formation. Bambile is number 10 okay. Right? Dlala number 10.
Yeah, but
now he played more as a winger. You know what because as number 10 you need to like you saw.
Into baba icho.
Shebile so like vision now is so.
Yeah, we side.
But now it's 10. When so.
Kile baba icho.
We side.
That simply means you out of position. That simply means you out of position.
And among namanye ama player angathizivi ukudlalela
Kaizer Chiefs. Moody, you don't deserve. Lilepo, you don't deserve.
This is pace.
And I can't understand why.
Ababali bo-2 please. Wednesday Tuesday mara bafethu. Uthi goalkeeper Peter. Naye uyamnika. Uzaqeda ushaye no look goal. No look good. Akaliboni nebhali ukuthi
mina I think Silva when it comes to Ighodaro no Silva. I still prefer Ighodaro than Silva. You know why? Because Silva he plays more mobile but another direction. He's more of a player Trisha Fana Nomahu. But another direction. Ighodaro first he can play mobile, he can still be a reference. You understand? Aerial balls training. Silva he plays like Castro. Wabona Castro. Castro mfethi unadlala ngalo.
Siyabona lesa striker besiringa ngaso. Cesric. Sikhumbule lesiya.
Yeah.
Yabona iChiefs asayina leya out leya.
Bangatholi supply.
Yabona mengasayina leya. Bangayenza something.
Chase let angayinika.
And I still believe
mina sayinela ama player
he has a lot. I mean I still think he has a lot to give Kaizer Chiefs.
Mabonka abamgadi minutes.
He has a lot because Mchacho yazingani izolo. Phela le shot like ayishayile. Nestrata sethu since nje sidlala akekho istrike sikesathi.
Those are the only saves uChina
zenza. Khona lapho uChina nje
ngibonile. Mina i-problem yami ukuthi I still feel bamdlalisa out of position.
Exactly.
That's it.
You income striker le mntwana for me.
Yeah, le nto akusi striker lisabe expect
ukuthi abe natural striker. You income striker.
Yeah, uvela ngeside position. And manje bamdlela isikhathi.
Alright, income striker. Now I would play him as like wabona Mrindi wadlala nkathini. Umdlalisa as winger Eloren, not that the winger tata 1966 1990 man. Winger again so wanga understand. And apho uthola usheba mfethu 2010 mobile veli back yamncane ne. but as a player mfethu awubona congestion emathela nkubhalo mfethu upasa ball ku penalty spot awuphasa ibhola outswing etofita mo musipahlong sa goal ubona or lead strikers awuna le striker se attack ball phela ba emela ibhola phela uSilva umela ibhola ufuna ibhola lize kuye njenge magnet you need to attack the first point njengoba uthi ukuthi striker nathi nami ngagelezwa kanjalo izi striker ukuthi ibhola mavela ngapha for you to get a goal go to the first pole mangilile indlule makuyenza into right you understand but now as a striker ufuna ukuthi ibhola lithi libuye ngathi magnet uzohlala
ufuna le round super strikers super strikers
like super strike
if bola papa ngweroom lami I was washo ukuthi ngiyasika man I was making noise alone I was like maka close down
no coach no coach like ubona basics prep
maka
pasa
those moments
abankude okay let's move forward
nazi izola after game le Derby bekudlala iRichards Bay ne-Orbit
idlale kanjani ngibonile maka ngandlula fast
ngathi iphele kwini because bese ngivaya la bese kuyi 87 88 kodwa
bekusasenini
but mangibhekile dane ngibona ama positives abhaya ngale game leya ithu amateam passing timing
like
runs
alimfisa coach
rotation
coach wabani Richards Bay
asemfana amaroko coach aTurban City ke mnana imani badela ziba ke manje
bamcoshile
sakuphi
angazi
I think
utanganathi so yabo ngibona ama positives ngathi okay yabona le direction le
ngibona lineup ye Orbit there's Mthwari there ne Ben Mthwari le mangaphi I think most kidi players tse leng di tswa ko these big teams tse leng se di da ngoba ngibone man le
no babonile chief ukuthi
nabo saleng obviously uyabona ukuba la players for experience
balakile
zizosiza
exactly so if ukhona ubona team eloring santan itla ekhona that experience just to balance a team uboshe ba Kaizer Chiefs da ona experience la Chiefs
need a coach
Kaizer Chiefs wathi
coaching
unamtshela ngile nkesisterelele ngifana isikala khikiliwa layout team so and mfana they made it like a point like there was a point if Pirates more one okay not Pirates isikakhinya Pirates if Kaizer Chiefs nayidlalile kantona
DDC
sure la nkabe ngibona outcome better than everybody not in terms of maybe winning the game or something but in terms of controlling the game managing the game or maybe fighting to win the game
that time ngithi lentona lezi ezilapha phansi zihungry ngikutshelile ngikutshelile
need a coach Chiefs that's it
I think a coach no actually coach in Sundowns iyadlala no Big Score
personal
maka ngibona ama positives izolo mfana ngasho ukuthi yazini gameplay passing into bengikhala ngayo ukuthi sometimes ngifeel ukuthi lama team lawa uzothi wabukela but untanga mfana uhluleka ukuphasa umuntu oda ngithola uzophasa throw in or makumela trap but izolo ngibona ama positives abhaya I was like hey Sundowns ikorile
bo impressed Sundowns is leading
being impressed mfana Koro Alendi
score
1-0 ne
eneka usapasisi akithuka ubreak ile record man but break ile record man
who
yena Alendi ya Sundowns akithi boke record
ngathi korile futhi ngathi bomathunile
bathi kinana akirwacaba buma speaking social media sometimes nalo boma fake news and stuff like that so I didn't pay attention
2-1 -1 hayi sesibala amagoli -1 it's okay
so that being said bafethu besicela ni comment nisitshele ukuthi niyacabangani ngalezi zinto lezi sikhuluma ngazo futhi more
let's talk Derby but let's talk Derby in
general yabo
talk to us
hey mfana nazi uTekwathi
athi
bengibukele le podcast yabo leya iKawash podcast hey this nigga ithi le le journalist host ngithi journalist eyababuza la ukuthi babuzile or wenza statement angisakhumbuli buza ukuthi oya ngathi babuzile wenze example ngokwayibo uyababuza ukuthi why these guys ne abadlala kula ma team lawo obit swelele cheaper or whatever badlale baperform like baperform badlale ubone ukuthi yo le play liyashisa liyafuneka yabona njengamanje umuntu odlalayo simbonayo uNdlovu eGolden Arrows uyadlala ufikile yabona ufuna wonke umuntu
Sundowns Pirates
yangithola athole contract maybe let's say Sundowns ayithola then or Chiefs or whatever then angasaperform to that level yabo noma ngabe angatholi chance kabhaya but ngabamfakile masimbona angasadlali 2 the level ukuthi yazini simazi ngayo my goat iyaphendula ke phendula inja yami ke thina balde kumudise ngimthandela zona ke lezinyamazi vele ngani uthi do you know what's the reason athi yena the reason is ne le player lile uyenze ngokwayiba ukuthi kwayiba bekashisa amkhisa bafana wasana nePirates
dololo
sikuthulile ngokwayiba uyabuyela kucheaper
performance
uyaperforma vivi so utiko yasho ukuthi do you know yazi kanjani dating le so ama player uthi ngidlalile orbit mangidlala da pressure everything training players engidlala nawo yonke into so uthi masithi you are giving our all as a team isifika ku 60% mangijima training ngifight ngilwa ngenze maybe 50% of it so mina ngijwayele yonke into pressure na everything iphela ku 60% so mangizosala nePirates ifuna 100% from eGym egaming 120%. So now it's difficult for these guys to adapt. Then uzoqala idlale mentality yakho
psychological.
Why manje mangifika lana manje angisadlali yabo and I'm still fighting the same way ngifight ngakhona ukuchipa uPolokwane City wherever but manje masengifike la still izinto zamazenzi washo ukuthi it's because of ukwayiba whoever mawufika kuPirates uthola bokwayiba abayi20
abalwela leyo ifuna
yeah
competition
so now you have to work extra hard yangithola so now wena your body everything your mentality is not used to 100%.
I was about to actually say
adaptability you are not used to this. Now mase kuzofika la sozojwayela khona ukuthi uzofika to this i-team yakuvayisa because uhleli 2 seasons ungadlali sometimes nayo uzokukhawatha rating yena wenza example wathi nama ngifika ku Sundowns ngithole izinja zegame ngisho ninja yegame athola izinja zegame mangifika la kwaqale bekasho ukuthi kwaqale kwaba nalezinto lezi zokuthi siyazi utiko bani utiko so sekuzoba namabhifi yabo hayi angazositshela ukuthi uzofika la adlala azothatha ischeme yabo kwaqale kuba amasepa akusabi neteam manje sekuba nama division abha yabo athi yena ngaqhubeka ngaSpan because of la bengibuya khona I was giving my 120 so I'm used to the layout ngathi ngibuza ukuthi why yena makasuka la still continue at because of la bengiphuma khona bengijwayele ukugive my 120 mangifika la ngithola abantu abagive the 120 ngifike nami ngigive my 120 so these guys makasuka yena kucheap or kuPolokwane ujwayele ukugive 60% akadluli la 60-70% uphelele la effort yakhe iphelele la so makazodlalela Sundowns Chiefs Pirates la kufuneka 100% eGym egaming kufuneka 120 your body can't do that because it's not used to. I was like damn
so yizo izinto ezikhawathele intwana lezi bese abalidlalisi intwana tse bayisayinile bayisenyetsa career what yala
and another thing ngitho ecalanyana secalanyana iba bad habit bese li bad habit wena so iprogram limeliwe
respond
so it's something eloring I feel like what the team into batwang kotol ikaba ten competition but it has competition
yeah good
so that's why sometimes no man let's say Steve maybe as fullback right fullback then I give each other ke fihle ke tlo dlala right foot back ke bone gore Steve okay o pusha to 60%. O sa pasa Steve ke era 10%. Why ke sa be le ke shaya 100 ke msa pasa dule benching a ska sa khona lo dlala at all. So that it becomes simple for me gore ke noma ke tlo kena go Pirates leng it's only just
anyane ba leng ba batlang wena
sa pasa wa ngomtso. And another thing mfethu, if only player na still believe in that, if only player let's say o dlala go Pirates and again so re bona ngabo Christian wa ungazibuza ukuthi why labantu laba ba successful because untamo fika boma 1 hour before training asha into azo join team yonke into yangithola shoot ya complimenta noma ngene ground umuntu konibona ukuthi umuntu lo akajingi ne team akamele team qala uzenzele side ile nto le nami ngithanda ukuyenza ukuthi kusengiyabuka ngithi work ngisha conditioning ngiyojima ne team then ngivala ngestomach mongena lapha ground ngiyabonakala noma uyinkomo ungakwazi ukudlala ubicycle mabayabona ukuthi le
yabona nje utobona ka week rate ana ile nikinga
wabona Kingston Cats yangifuna ukubona ukuthi umuntu obona ukuthi okay lebo kuyinkomo eKaizer Chiefs but work rate yakhe yabona ukuthi lo muntu lo uyayifuna le
yimtholisa iskill
yamthola uyayifuna
mahopa into score match
into engishoyo ntanga into engishoyo ntanga ukuthi wena mfana udlala idisc ilife yakho ukudlala ibhola kuphela
and icareer yakho
isponsor yakho ukudla kwakho icareer
imali yakho
iseyinyaweni zakho ujima 2 hours a day ne-team like mawuceda right kuphelele la
yahamba uyobukela i-TV
abantu bakhala ngawo kuyakhalwa ngawo phela ungakhohlwa mfethu modla Chiefs hayi ukuthi uthi ungidla Chiefs ngoba nama fans awuthiyama umuntu mfana
kanje
kunomuntu bekaphethi 120 or 100 rand yokugcina wathi ngibhayi ticket ngibukela Chiefs ngibukela team yami ayicove lento le mfethu sothi usuke eDK uyawalk eFNB ngibukela team yami wena ungena egroundini awukwazi ukuphasa or pass it-throw-in
insult kuma fans
so into engizibuza yona ukuthi wena as a player what are you doing awuthiyama ujima kayi-1 ne-team after lapho it's chai uyohlala apartmentini yakho kwakho shayile golf 7 lakho you are done
enjoy salary
enjoy like you are done
abanye abantu bakwatile wena enjoy salary
mfethu why mfethu ungathi okay ngijima 2 hours ne-team angizosala 1 hour 30 or 2 hours ngizenzela into yami like improve as a player. Like that's why I don't believe that there's a player or the Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, whoever team on a vision, on a passion for it.
On a zeal.
Man, mang pass on command or mang trip or fitness green. Then we are relaxed when not in a passion. I don't believe that there's someone like that. That means abantu abada
badlale
look survive. Ukuthi ngiyaphanda ngiyahola hence these guys mabasele nge6 months contract ba performer
yazenzakala kanjani leshadi siyafela right lapha but nakhona futhi yabona lentana lezi ezilwela let's say DDC ezilwela ukungena lapha ziyayenza lento le chimane team asijimele nanani i-team esekangena lapha
ya relax
yabona angithi sekayitholile indaba
yabona iPSL Academy yami ingena
PSL players they don't have enough ambition. The only thing elokungbayilwanela as a player etswang kokasi ukutlola kubo ma DTC so ubona so le halfway la aqede bo first team utsha ona dile nyauri ke ka tloba ke tsama ke Euro
that's my
ile ka comfortability again
yeah that's what I'm saying
ba comfortable le le ngwe ko le le rengang I think Makhole wila yitsho ka press conference sa bula yaneng bambutso like performance alona up until this far nelishibilo like litoba yi Makhole yo ringe inyento wathi i-pressure bayithola from lentona lezi DTC if you can check the DTC team ya Pirates they are performing well
bakunambele ba win 3-1
bako number 1 and they lead they are no virtue of bank league so didenge tsoko ba tsele di wina kada di kenyetsa tse pressure because of ka intse ba di interject ka nkere di chimal first team le ka di video analysis ba di kenya kaofela ko roomong while you shaka video analysis DDC le leading because of coach ya DDC
Yeah.
ispanal ka jiko first team after game ya DDC attend first team
And
yo ba
it's
technical
complementary.
one shot because of ba khona like ba bana le that bond ya gore lo man na le so that
Yeah,
governance yang shot ke leading re buang ka yona the senior players and youngsters so like Makhaolo wila e chola le ngo gama tsele di re kenyetsa pressure ha ntse di wina so le gona tlamele gape game ya gona we can't disappoint ntwana tsele e beni
Ke le gona batho ba
re groti tsona di a wina gona ga paisisa ka yi because of ntwana tse next thing di tlotla and e tlo banka re no re kenyetsa pressure gore nga di tla ka ya tlamele di re survive re le teng ke le lenga itshilo like so like I think ke yona le leng tsong gore Pirates itole le mo leng teng no wa bo today I think yona le leng I think le yona Chiefs I ka lena from dainyana tse ke le leng tse dinyana re ska re
small things that you can just twitch in
Re ska re-
fall into play.
ke una le dintwana tse nyane ntwana tse like ke le groti nka se bone gore ntwana e tsara leng e crazy you can learn a lot from ntwana tse nyane
Vele.
ntse le groti
Like
Vele.
imfundo ayina
one shot aina di aina exactly so like I think ke le leng etsang gore Pirates senior team e progress and ke motivation vehicle tseno
and going back
Mpatana,
to, going
it's
back to
possible.
what he said,
one
vision.
shot
You
vision
don't have vision.
PSL Academy
Yabo.
angingena da ngithola yila ingena khona ukuthi no elesiligobele sasemanzi mara no PSL kumele bangilande yabo because ngine idea PSL
Ayebo.
It was an idea.
yabo so manje
Wasn't
sizoyishona
an idea.
grand yabo
It was an idea.
yangithile ngiyibekile
Wasn't an
idea
idea.
ngatokhile idea le bafethu PSL Academy
Ay, 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 ay.
So who was an idea?
no ngawari seringa le so yabo isn't an idea bangangikhohle ukuthi you have to do this as a team so mele baze yi baringe nathi
Ukhulunyelwa ama-video.
yabo
Ngomkhohle
baringe ukuthi eish bafethu PSL Academy iyafuneka eMzansi ukuze sithathe ibhola lethu serious kumele siyicale la le ndaba leyo ukuthi sharp abozapata nabo bani eklasi bayashaya ispansar mara we need something like that structured ukuthi professional ukuthi sazi ukuthi zonke lentwana lezi zisemakasi ezenzana esibungudlala ku-PSL zibe na something for bona kungabi school of excellence kuphela or in
Stars of Africa
Stars of Africa nangithola we need
but need help from
some is something big ezo accommodate
everything
intwana se-White City intwana yasesibukeni intwana yasegomora yabo kulawo magasi la engana muntu ozomphusha ukuthi endoda uyacaba masidlala ibhola ekasi sifuna ukudlala ku-PSL but asazi ukuthi sifika kanjani ngithola so i-PSL Academy inga structure ukuthi okay leyayibuye esibukeni bayakhona ukuyicova ukuthi hayi intwana yami yabo thina yila singena khona
And it becomes easy to.
That's where we end.
Ngela kanjani
thina yithi esiletha ama-play i-PSL Academy yithi esivayayo siye kulama kasi tournaments whatever basigaye ibudget siye nase-Eastern Cape se-KZN siye sivaya basinike nje ibudget thina senze into yethu sihlanganise ama-player ibhola lethu lizokhula libe grand
asikuthi i-PSL ayiboni lento le most of the player sekunalintona ku-PSL they come from different backgrounds and most of the different backgrounds disadvantaged families then you need to bear in mind uri
bombokazi
uyayithola ntsekitsho unali batho bano ring vele like hola wa how hola lor vele mo ulayitilo ngithola so dintho di easy for no khono navigate through tsona bona le motho lo ring umnato everything iteng but you need that guidance you understand so it's easy let's say for example Kilata Steve udlala ku Zapata udlala ku Zapata udlala ku Zapata and udlala ku Zapata una influence ya PSL along the way it is for you when out of the professional dintho wena se di le familiar how stranger to dintho jwana ntse qale fatshe o navigate go pantse puzzle ling e re thusa le structure sa rona go sa king South African football se poboza ceiling re batlang se poboza bona tje re poboza ceiling vele mo South Africa maybe Africa maybe there's a lot so PSL proposal sesifakile Chibobo Mac
DM simnandi
kanjalo
ngana le fact checker lapha
ngolinda mtambo
fact checker bafethu ekhulumile
Ithini?
ngihlala ngisho ukuthi ningabhekanini kanje.
Awuyi-host ntanga,
Yeah,
kumele
okay, bheka.
uyibambe.
Sharp, ngingaba yi-host manje angeke ngize ngitshele direct ngithi bobo athi.
Kunje.
La, sishele
Tell us.
podcast.
Okay.
Siyayivala.
Kahle nje.
Before
Okay,
siyivala
before
uLinda
siyivala.
Mtambo athi yena. Hey,
Athini?
Idabi.
athi
Mawuyiplay
Eziplay.
mina idabi.
ufuna ukudlala leya game leya.
Mm.
And uma ungayidlalanga leya game leya,
Khona into eshoda.
khona into eshodayo.
Ungakayenzi.
So manje social media yamlanda yabo yamtshela.
Bebam-attack or beba-respond to whatever that you were saying.
Beba respond to
Oh.
what
Yenza
he
said
said.
it's debatable.
Yeah, yabo. So balanda umshishi ukuthi umshishi akadlalanga but
Idabi.
kuna
Una
almost
everything.
everything.
Almost everything.
Yabo.
So uthini ngalokho?
Mina.
Mm.
Mina.
Yose angithi uintroduce ali Shambisi.
Yeah.
No, uphekile la yabo umntwana.
Kodwa
Yeah, uphekile but then mawuyiplay
Yeah.
ufuna ama-accolades.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukushaya ube nobucwebe
Yeah,
ama-medal
yeah, yeah,
nama-trophy yabo. And hayi ukuthi iSoweto idabi izokugada idea.
Mm.
iSoweto idabi izokugaya exposure.
ifeel kahle.
Ifeel.
Lokugayifile. Yeah.
Yangithola. Yilento leyo ukuthi masiseka sidlale besifuna ukudlala i-discover.
Mm.
Or abu
Sifuna leyo
feel this
feel.
game.
Sifuna leyo feel
feel
yokudlala
Yangithola.
discover.
yokudlala da.
Yeah.
Izokugada exposure and whatever.
Ukuthi
But-
asamazi.
Ne adrenaline rush.
Yeah, but
But
Ayipheleli la.
we need trophies.
at the end of the day.
Yeah. Sifuna bathi umshishi bodlala va kwenzakalani. Isuvele wabekela. Sithi yo. Ay bodlala small team Maruspani
Yeah.
showcase. Yabo?
Yeah.
Okay,
Maruspani.
I
On
think
this
we
one.
share every play.
yeah, on that.
Yeah, I
one,
wanna they
share
yeah,
everything.
but then at the end of the
But
day,
then
let's be
again,
honest,
let's collect
kufuneka
trophy.
ama-trophy.
but
Yeah.
then again,
It's not a must.
yeah, then again, unalibathi balureng vele bona abatodlala dabi like they've made it.
Kobo, exactly.
Unalimotoring na kaspana ke khona be ntse tangible mo. Ke span.
Yeah.
Wangithola. So that being said, I said ukuthi lento let's debatable. Not everyone will play for.
Yeah, but then that is why ngithi
Dabi bangayifani nale dabi le.
Yeah, bro.
yeah, that is why ngithi as a player somehow now kumele ube ne-vision career yakho because of mawina lama-trophy lawo they can do something for you noma retire.
Okay. Right winger, left winger, striker, nathi ne vision. Ngale Shibobo Max. So yes, yeah. Ngithola. Ngakhohlwa something. Happy birthday ntwana ka DGK, happy birthday boy.
Happy birthday kanti
Happy birthday, boy.
ngifuna la gameni nibize ngayo.
Kinos.
You know,
Kinosi happy birthday njaka.
happy birthday Mkhoti.
Happy birthday.
Ngishithi
Mkhutshwane.
ukuthi
Siyayivala.
I
Ayifako la mthuthu le. Siyayivala like mashitini manje.
Tiko baba.
Ukho baba.
Checker. Ucabangani ngalento le?
kubabili zona.
LeSoweto dabi.
Kubabili zona.
Ivale.
Vale fact check.
Bye, guys. See you on our next episode, episode 20. This is episode what?
90. Singayivala phela sesimile.
Tango, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down there below. Usitshela ukuthi wena ucabangani ngalento le besikhuluma ngayo vandaag. Udissecte nathi ayithola lento le. Thank you.
Travis.
Yeah, bafethu subscribe Shibobo Max bafethu.